Cylch Meithrin Wrexham has been running for 50 years next year, and in the town, and we will be moving at the end of this month, beginning of next month, to the school, Ysgol Cylch, to their site. We're very grateful for the praise from Hanfod Cymru. Thank you very much.
Yeah, like Gail said, we are moving, and it's a big move for us. So for us, with the project, the place we are moving to, it's a big opportunity to have the classroom outside, which is very important for our children, and it's very important for them to experience a lot of outside activities. Yeah, so once again, thank you very much.